Hello adventurers and welcome to the club. Today we will turn a book into a stove. Well, this is a complete new idea of mine. You can't see this everywhere else on the internet. Especially not on TikTok. Yeah, let's find a nice place and get started. Now look at this spot. This seems to be the perfect place. So I've brought a bottle of water, but you could use fresh melted snow. Tin can with a handle on it turned into a little pot. And for ease, some fire starting cubes. So now let's set this whole thing up. The idea is to open the book, place it like this, see? So it stands upright. Then we put the tin can on top of it and light it as a fire. So let's fill this up. And start the fire. Take them out of here. At least we try to. I did do too good of a job of closing this bag. So I could open it, but that would make the video way too long. I'll take a piece of one of them. That should be enough. Just toss it in here. Toss this back up. Let's light this. Let's see if this gives us enough fire. Maybe we should turn the handle away from the flames. So yeah, it did burn okay, but for the next time I want to make sure the flames can get a bit more air from below, like putting the book on some small branches so it can draw air. Yeah, it did work, but it wasn't enough to get the water boiling. It made it warm. Yeah, overall it worked kind of, and I'm looking forward to experimenting a bit more. So, well, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about it. because as far as I know, this was the most German campfire ever made.
Algebra. Let's make a campfire.